Hey guys, how are you? This is your friend Angelica Lopez. I am a tax and bookkeeping coach, and I just wanted to share a few things with you guys that I have come across with a lot of my clients, and I just wanted to share these things with you. So it is 7 tax sins that real estate agents have done in the past, and a lot of my clients have. It has happened to them. So I'm going to share with you guys those 7 tax sins that you all need to know about, and we have the solution that can help you fix that. Okay? So our first one is going to be little to no record keeping, or just making sure that you're not keeping record of any of your expenses, or you're not keeping record of anything that will help you at the end of the year. And one of the things that we do is we have a tax organizer that will help you be able to take care of that. And instead of you playing a guessing game to figure out, like, what did I charge? What did I not charge? Is it on my credit card? Is it on my credit card statement, or is it on my bank statement? So a good way of having that and knowing exactly what is going on your expenses, you would know that by keeping good record keeping, right? The second one would be paying thousands of self-employment tax. And, one of the biggest things is so many people pay so much self-employment taxes, and we show you how to not pay taxes or even eliminate them if possible. Number 3, double deducting broker expenses. So when you look at your 1099 as a real estate agent, right, equal to the gross or, the net proceeds, which is it, right? Are you going to be taxed on the whole amount that they're giving you on the 1099, or has your broker already taken out that amount? So, just making sure that those are addressed and that you know which one is being done with your 1099. Okay. Number 4, taking on too high of personal risk. And what I mean by that is that we can help you protect your business where you're not even personally responsible for it, because you are under an LLC or an S corporation. So that will give you a huge benefit where your personal risk wouldn't be even in the realm of being touched, right? Just making sure that the biggest thing is having excellent record keeping, because if you do your due diligence, it will save the day for you, and you won't have to have any personal risk involved in your business. The next one I'm going to say, number 5, is overstating some yet forgetting other expenses, right? Playing the guessing game, on expenses is really, really not a great way of, kind of keeping track of your expenses, right? Because you can say that, you drove 10,000 miles, or that you had business, lunches or dinners with your clients, but you don't keep track of it and you have no record keeping. And that is one of the biggest sins that you can do in your case as a real estate agent. And you want to make sure that, like I said before, you're keeping really great record keeping. And there's so many great, things that we can do to help you be able to keep good records and make sure that, you have no issues at the end of the year or during the year when you're preparing to prepare your taxes, or even if you wanted to, print out your P&L, your profit and loss, and you wanted to give copies of that to your accountant or your bookkeeper, we'll definitely be able to help you with that. So, number 6, would be to paying outrageous fees for your professional tax services, right? You definitely want to make sure that your tax professional is not charging you an arm and a leg, and that they are helping you throughout the year, and that they are making sure, or you're making sure, that you're sitting with them at least 3 to 4 times a year, even if it was for like 5 or 10 minutes, just to find out and catch up and figure out, okay, what do I need to accomplish? What are the things or the strategies that I can do to lower my tax bill? You know, should I be investing more money in my 401k? Should I open an IRA? What should I be doing at this point before I prepare my taxes? Because what happens to a lot of people is that they wait to the end of the year to prepare their taxes, and then they can't fix what already is done. So a lot of times it's so much better to be able to, plan ahead of time, sit with your bookkeeper, with your, accountant, with your tax professional at least 3 to 4 times a year. Like I said, you can do a quick 5 or 10-minute call, and it will save you thousands of dollars. Now, number 7, not making timely or any tax deposits, right? And I talked about this in my other video, my last video, about making sure that you are dividing any profit that's coming into your business or any revenue that's coming into your business, that you have one main account, which is your main business account, and then having 4 extra accounts. You can go online, you can open them on Ally Bank. This is not sponsored by them, by the way. But it would definitely help you, because when anytime any revenue is coming into your business account, what you would do at the end of the year is you would take a certain percentage and you would divide it into all of the other accounts that you would have, because you want an account for your profit, you want an account for payroll to pay yourself and either your staff members, and also your taxes. We can't forget your taxes, right? A lot of the questions that I get from a lot of real estate agents is, how much money should I be, putting away for taxes? And I always say, to be safe, 30%, 25 to 30%. And then I always say that, your expenses, your business expenses should probably stay between 10 and 15%. And that just depends on your revenue. So guys, I really hope that this video helped. If you have any questions, or if you feel that you need help with this situation or with these 7 tax sins that you might be doing as a real estate agent, please make sure to click the link below and schedule your free real estate consultation. We are here to assist you. And again, my name is Angelica Lopez. I am a tax and bookkeeping coach and here to help you. Hope you guys have a wonderful night and enjoy your Tuesday. Bye-bye.